Hello everyone, welcome to ThinkComputer YouTube channel. In this video, I will be explaining about operator precedence and associativity in Python programming language. In one of my earlier videos, I have already explained about operators. The video title was Data Handling in Python. So if you haven't seen that video, I suggest you watch that video first, then you can come back to this video. So operator precedence is the rule that determines the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before operators with lower precedence. So basically operator precedence is telling you the sequence in which you are supposed to execute the operators when they are present in any expression. So this is the table which shows us parenthesis having the highest precedence, highest priority, and logical or having the least or the lowest precedence. Let me tell you the names of all of these operators for a revision. So this is basically your parenthesis, that means brackets. This is your double asterisk, which is used for exponentiation. Then you have unary plus, unary minus, and that is unary not, that means it is bitwise not. Then you have the multiplication, normal division, then you have floor division, then modulus, then addition, subtraction. These are called bitwise shift operators, left shift and right shift. Then you have bitwise and, bitwise XOR, bitwise OR. Then you have comparison operators, that means relational operators, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, and equal to. Then you have membership operators called in and not in. Then you have identity operators, which are is and is not. Then you have not and or, which are logical operators. So this will be the sequence which you have to follow whenever you are evaluating any expression in Python programming language. Next is operator associativity. So operator associativity is the rule that determines the order in which the operators of same precedence are evaluated in an expression. So it may be left to right or right to left. Most of the operators are having the associativity left to right, as I have already highlighted the ones which are having right to left. So we have exponentiation, that is the double asterisk, and then unary plus minus and unary not, I mean bitwise not, and you have the logical not. Except of these three sets of operators, remaining all operators in Python are evaluated left to right. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you everyone.